Hi, thanks for checking out one of our videos here on YouTube. This is going to be a, hopefully a how to repair video, at least how to test video on a Kencove KF13000. The later versions are now called the Kencove EK13. They are very similar to this one. There's just some variations in parts. Capacitor and transformers are basically the same, but the boards are a little different. Can't really mix and match the boards between the old style and the new style. They don't plug in the same way to each other. They're kind of wired together. So you either have to, repair as is or upgrade the boards to the newer style, depending on what's available in stock, that sort of thing. But so we're going to go through this, test some stuff out, see what we can figure out with it. So here's the information right here. If you got one of these things like to send to us for repair, be happy to take a look at it. We get free quotes. We work on all brands and ages of these fence chargers. I don't care what it is, how old it is. Let us take a look at it for you. And we'll be happy to take a peek and give you a free quote. The name on this wrong customer. Where is it? All right, the note on it says, does not send pulse, no voltage, no amps. All right, so let's take a peek at it. Let's see what it does. All right, I got this all wrapped up, zip tied or twist tied up. Let's something loose on the inside. So let's. Now it's a piece of the transformer that's chipped off. Ooh, another piece come off with it. Let's flip this transformer. Oh yeah. See these cracks in the transformer? That has been stressed out. Lightning or something, I don't know. Well, let's plug it in. Don't see anything burnt looking yet, but looks can be deceiving. Well, lights are flashing. Even that one up there is flashing. But it's not clicking. The clicking sound comes on any fence charger, I don't care what brand it is, the clicking sound comes from the transformer itself. That's what makes the ticking sound, not the capacitor, not the board, discharging, firing stuff. This is what makes the clicking sound on all brands of electric fence chargers. So it's not being able to discharge into the transformer. So either the primary, the transformer is bad. Capacitor could be bad, but those blue ones aren't very common to go bad. Come on, get off there. So first thing we'll check is the primary of the transformer is black and red. We're going to ohm it out, see what it reads. It needs to be replaced anyways, but I'm going to check it just to see if it is good or not. It doesn't matter which. There's this resistance. There's no polarity to resistance. So we're just going to test across. Should be 0 point something ohms, 0.2, 0.1. So transformer primary is good, but it's not discharging. So we need a transformer in there for sure. Let's unplug one wire of the capacitor. And then we'll test it. This is an 80 microfarad capacitor. I'll unplug both of them because I can't get to the other tab there. No polarity to it. Should be 80 and reading 82.1, close enough. Okay, so what's our issue? This board, really, you know. It's not discharging, and the discharge happens all up here. So it's probably something to do with this or these. Because this board here, in this style, is what allows it to kind of time it and pulse and fire, you know, not fire, but energize and cycle and stuff like that, not the discharge side. So it's probably in this board here. Let me see what I've got for new parts. You know? There we go. So there's the new board. So we're going to wiggle and pull that board, rainbow cord off there. We're going to unplug the capacitor. Come on. Plug the switch for high and low, or half power, full power switch, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll undo the, come on, there it goes. Undo the power cord. This board is in a junk. Doesn't pay to fix some of these boards. Well, now we're just going to do the backward reverse. Put the power cord in first. And then we'll plug the switch on. Plug this wire on. And we'll plug the capacitor on. Then we'll get another transformer. Sit like that. And now we'll plug this on. Oof. And plug that. Alright, now we need to get the board back into place. And then we'll have to adjust that bulb to where we want it. Plug the output of the transformer into its place. Alright, let's plug it in. See if it goes a flashing and clicking this time. Hopefully it will. Now it's clicking. Let's test the output. $11,000 volts. So kind of spark. So kind of spark this thing I'll throw. Oh. Well, this one's done. Alright, so we'll flip this one over. We'll put the screws to it, tighten it up. Should turn that clutch down a little bit, over torque it. So if you're looking for parts, hit us up, help you out, get you some parts. All right, well, until next time, we'll see you guys later on. Have a good rest of your day, and bye.